Good morning, this is Shawn from Clearly Windows again with another video. Today I'm going to be working at Terry and Bernie's house, and we're doing skylights and stuff like that. But the thing about this is we've got a metal roof, and so I'm going to get a little bit of video recording of walking on the metal roof and cleaning these skylights. All right, just getting onto the roof here. As you can see, it's a metal roof, and you can't really see it, but it's basically we've just got to walk very delicately, and I'm walking between the ridges, so we're not causing any damage. So I wouldn't want to step right here. What I'm going to try to do is step in the middle of the tile as I'm stepping, so we can not damage the lip of the tile. So as you can see, this skylight is filthy, and we're going to get that all cleaned up, and we'll go from there. It's tough when you're recording video of yourself doing the work, but let's see. So I wetted this entire skylight, and then I'm gonna scrape all the pollen and dirt and gunk off the bottom of this, and then I'll get another video in just a second of it clean skylight. Skylight has been scraper bladed and cleaned. As you can see, that bottom edge is nice and clean, looking good. Now we're going to go over and get the rest of these dirty skylights all cleaned up. Now here's the fun part about these skylights. As you can see, this is a good angle, that the skylights are filthy, but as we go across and we start looking at these, oh, look at how well they turned out. They're beautiful. I won't walk all the way over there, but you can see that they are looking good. Exactly what this client wants. Dylan's just finishing his last skylight. Oh, look at these, how awesome they turned out. Looking good. All right, windows are clean. Skylights are clean. The house looks amazing. Skylights turned out great. Windows turned out well, and I'm sure that Terry's going to be just happy as happy. So this is Shawn with Clearly Windows. If you need window cleaning, gutter cleaning, skylight cleaning, exterior care cleaning, we'll take care of that. So give us a call. We're here in South Puget Sound. Love to help you out.